Welcome everyone. In this video, you will see the Process Manager configuration procedure for SmartComm PMS. To open the software, double-click the SmartComm shortcut located on your desktop. In the shown pop-up, select Server or Client Application as per requirement and click OK. Process Manager window will appear. Go to Process, select Add Remove Process. Click on plus icon. In the File Name section search LT Message Broker, click on Open and Save. Then repeat the same process for LT Tag DB, LT Alarm Events and LT Hist DB. Sequence for these exe files should be in the same order, otherwise it will throw an error. Further add LT IDE, LT Viewer and LT Notification Manager via same process. Now add all the drivers which are required. Currently I have added LT Modbus client. Click on Done option, don't close the window. Go to Process and click on Start All option. Process Manager configuration is done.
Thank you for watching.